Kinumpirma ng anak ni Nora Aunor at Christopher De Leon na si Christopher Ian De Leon ang pagpanaw ng kanyang ina. Ito ay agad-agad na nag-viral sa social media. Sa naging caption ni Ian mula sa kanyang Facebook page, sinabi nito na "We love you ma, alam ng Diyos kung paano ka namin or gaano ka namin kamahal. Pahinga ka na po ma, nandito ka lang sa puso at isipan namin." Isa sa hindi matatawarang kagalingan ang ipinamalas ni Nora Aunor sa kanyang pagiging magaling na artista at pagiging magaling na singer. Well, basahin natin kung ano nga ba ang masasabi ng Wikipedia sa nasabi nga pong yumaong superstar. Ang tunay na pangalan ni Nora ay Nora Cavaltera Villamor. May 21, 1953, April 16, 2025, known professionally as Nora Aunor. Tagalog pronunciations, was a Filipino actress, recording artist, and film producer. Aunor has also appeared in several stage plays, television shows, and concerts. She was known as Philippine cinema superstar and was conferred as a National Artist of the Philippines for Film and Broadcast Arts in 2022. The Hollywood Reporter called her the Grand Dame of Philippine cinema for her performances in the films Taklog and Justicia and for her contributions to the Philippines film industry. Aunor started her career as a singer after winning a local talent search. She rose to fame in the following years as both a singer and actress. After her film debut all over the world 1967, she transitions into heavy drama with highly acclaimed performances in films such as Tatlong Taong Walang Diyos, Minsay Isang Gamo-Gamo, Inaka ng Anak Mo, Himala, Bulaklak sa City Jail, Bona. In the following decades, her performance in the Floor Contemplation story, Bakit May Kahapon Pa, Die Womb, Dementia. Actually, marami pa mga teleserye ang pinaganapan ni Nora Aunor. Naging kasalip pa to sa serye ng GMA na si Atty. Matias na kamakailan lamang ay nag-appear pa nga doon si Miss Nora Aunor. After nito ay wala na ngang balita pa sa kanya. Nora Aunor was born as Nora Cavaltera Villamor in Barrio San Francisco, Iriga City, Camarines Sur, to Antonia Cavaltera and Eustacio Villamayor. She has 9 siblings, including Eddie Villamayor, a former actor. When Nora was growing up, her grandmother Lola Teresa taught her to sing. The first song she learned was The Way of a Clown. Her aunt Belen Aunor taught her diction, interpretation, and expression while singing, and gave her screen name. Before her fame, she lived a poverty-stricken childhood and selling peanuts on the buses and cold water in front of the Bicol Express train station to make ends meet. Marami ang nalungkot sa pagpanaw ni Miss Nora Aunor, kaya naman mahigpit na yakap sa pamilya mula sa Showbiz Now.